Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best airline approved dog travel carrier that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Katsila pet carrier. This lightweight pet carrier on wheels will keep your pup safe and secure during your travels. It also has a lot of great features. You can carry it on your shoulders or roll it like a suitcase. So if you are taking your dog on a flight or public transport, it will make your life so much easier. Having these different carrying options is a game changer when you have lots of luggage. The rolling handle is convenient and sturdy. The handle system helps the whole carrier roll smoothly and helps your dog relax when you are on the move. This carrier has your pet's comfort in mind with the soft bed and leash inside that you to attach your pup's harness to keep them secure. After traveling, the carrier can even break down into a flat bag for easy storage. The flat bag is handy if you have limited storage options in your hotel or home after your travels. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Rufflife 101 Airline approved expandable premium pet carrier. Many dog carriers with wheels for airlines don't have much room. I take my large dog on flights, so I know how important it is to try and make them comfortable. And this expandable carrier makes traveling or delays more spacious. The durable mesh material allows air to circulate throughout the carrier and keeps your pet comfortable during long journeys. This feature will be handy in the summer months. The Rufflife 101 carrier is great for air travel because it has a strap and can be attached to your suitcase to help it stay stable while moving. You can easily sit the carrier on your bag while you find your travel documents and grab a coffee before your flight. It also features a sturdy wheel system that makes it easy to maneuver. Airports can be chaotic, so these smooth wheels make navigating them with your pet easy. And there's no need to worry about your pet becoming anxious because the mesh lining allows them to see your face, keeping them calm. This lining is helpful for older pets, reactive pets, and pets with health problems. At number 3, we have the SportPet Designs Plastic Kennels Rolling Plastic Airline Approved Wire Door Travel Dog Crate. Finding an extra large dog travel carrier with wheels can be a challenge. But this durable carrier will make traveling together a dream. My friend has a large border collie and struggled so much to find a carrier for her dog, never mind one with wheels. Then she purchased the SportPet and never looked back. It made taking her dog to the Netherlands much less stressful. The great thing about the SportPet carrier is that its wheels snap on and off as needed. This feature means you can use the carrier without it sliding everywhere. You'll also appreciate the carrier's various sizes ranging from small to XXL, so you can find one that fits your large dog perfectly. When it comes time to fly with your pet, SportPet carriers stand out. The durable carrier includes animal stickers, making it a popular option for international travel and moving your pet abroad. Plus, its lightweight and sturdy material ensures your pup will have a safe journey. Pet owners love this carrier because of the size options, but equally, because it doesn't have to be used just for airport travel. Not only does it easily roll along on any surface, but it's also ideal for activities after your travels. This spacious carrier is so helpful. At number 2, we have the Hovoo Double-Compartment Pet Carrier Backpack. Have you ever tried to go anywhere with more than one pet? It can be exhausting, so if you have multiple pets that need to travel together, the Hovoo Dog Travel Carrier is a great choice. It will make your life easier and ensure your furry friends stay comfortable during car trips or vet visits. This carrier straps quickly into a seatbelt and can also be a backpack. It's also one of the best pet carriers with wheels for medium dogs and small pets because of its multiple uses. The many uses do not stop there. The 2 compartments have enough room for 2 small pets. But if you have a medium-sized pet or want more space, the carrier can become one large single compartment. The compartments stack vertically rather than side by side. Stacking them this way makes it easier to move through tight spaces and keep an eye on your pets. And when it comes to assembly, it is easy to put together and then pack away when not in use. So if you want to provide your pets with their own space, making them feel safe and secure during the journey, this is the carrier for you. And finally at number 1, we have the Copic Deluxe Backpack Pet Travel Carrier. This multifunctional bag is the perfect choice if you want to take your dog on any journey. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a trip abroad, it will make your journey smoother. You can also carry it in 3 different ways. The backpack function is the perfect mixture of convenience and comfort. It has support for your back and is durable, so no more struggling with carrying your dog or worrying about being unsafe. You can also wheel it using the telescoping handle. The smooth spinning wheels are a real highlight of this carrier, making it easy to move through tight spaces like airports or supermarkets, while the bag provides plenty of room for your pup. If you are worried about the straps catching under the wheels, there is a pocket in the back of the bag with enough room to tuck away the straps. You can also use the strap handles and use like a traditional carrier. This feature is handy if you need to move your pet quickly. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon